Welcome learners. I am Jisha MS from TKM College of Arts and Science. In this video, I am going to discuss the major diseases affecting the cultivated mushrooms. Especially today, I am describing the bacterial diseases in detail. In the coming classes, we will discuss fungal diseases, viral diseases, insect and pest attacks, etc. Let's start the topic. Mushrooms, as you all know, they are the fleshy, spore-bearing, fruiting body of a fungus. All the species are saprophytes. What do you mean by saprophytes? Saprophytes which obtain nutrients directly from dead and decayed organic matter. And these mushrooms grow in moist and shady places rich in humus. And they belong to the subdivision Basidiomycotina. And the vegetative body of mushroom under suitable conditions forming the fruiting bodies. And the mushrooms are defined as macrofungus, and here more than 2000 species of fungi are reported to be edible throughout the world. Among these, 16 genus representing more than 25 species have been successfully domesticated. In India, 3 mushrooms are commonly cultivated. They are button mushroom, oyster mushroom and paddy straw mushroom. These 3 mushrooms are commercially cultivated in India. And nowadays, milky mushroom is also cultivated widely, especially in the warmer areas. Like all other cultivated crops, mushrooms are also affected adversely by biotic and abiotic agents. Among the biotic agents, bacteria, fungi, viruses, nematodes, insects, mites, etc. causes damage to mushrooms. And nowadays, mushroom research gain more attention due to the decreased yield and even loss of the crop caused by the diseases, which will be a loss of income to the mushroom farmers. So, effective pest and pathogen control is a very important factor for the maintenance of efficient production of cultivated mushroom. So, let's start with the bacterial diseases in detail. First important bacterial disease is bacterial blotch. Bacterial blotch disease, and the disease is also known as brown blotch or bacterial spot disease. And it seriously affected Agaricus bisporus. Agaricus bisporus is the button mushroom, and it is responsible for considerable yield losses. And the disease was first described by Tolas from America, and later Payne identified the organism. And this bacterial blotch disease reduces crop yield because the lesions and sunken blotches develop on the surface of mushroom caps or pileus, making the mushrooms unmarketable. And these diseases were reported in India during the period of 1976. And the disease is reported from all mushroom growing countries, and it causes about 5 to 10% losses in yield. Next, what is the causative organism of this bacterial blotch? It is Pseudomonas tholaci. So, Pseudomonas tholaci is the pathogen or the causative organism of the disease bacterial blotch. What are the symptoms of bacterial blotch? In the case of white button mushroom, bacterial blotch is characterized by brown, slightly sunken blotches on the mushroom cap or its pileus. And these spots are irregular, yellowish to dark brown, which merge at a later stage. And in severe cases, the stipes of the mushroom are also affected. And light infection of mushroom caps produce a yellow spot on the surface, but during severe infection the lesions become dark brown in color. And when the mushrooms are severely affected with bacterial blotch, they get distorted and the caps may split. And what are the control measures for bacterial blotches? The casing soil should be properly sterilized during the cultivation steps, and the ventilation should be quite adequate, and the temperature of the mushroom house do not exceed 20 degrees centigrade, and the relative humidity above 85% should be avoided. So maintaining relative humidity and temperature are of great significance in managing the disease. And another method is that use of chlorinated water in the mushroom house also reduces the disease incidence, and pasteurization of casing soil is seen to be effective in controlling the bacterial blotch. Preventive spray with 9 mg per square foot of terramycin on the bed is advisable for controlling the disease. These are the pictures which showing button mushrooms affected with the bacterial blotch, and so the caps are showing brown lesions or blotches. Next important bacterial disease is the yellow blotch. Yellow blotch is a serious disease of the oyster mushroom, and it was first observed in the commercial mushroom cultivation farm in California 1983, and in India heavy incidence of yellow blotch was reported, which results in complete failure of crop in some of the mushroom units. And the causative organism is Pseudomonas agaricus. Pseudomonas agaricus is the causative organism, and this Pseudomonas agaricus also cause a disease called drippy gill disease in Agaricus bisporus, or the button mushroom, white button mushroom. Here the masses of bacteria develop on the gills of button mushroom and making them become gelatinous, after which they collapse. Then coming to the symptoms of yellow blotch disease, the mushroom cap contains blotches of different sizes. Sometimes they may be depressed yellow, brown or orange in color, and the infected mushrooms turn yellow and show stunted growth, and the mushrooms show slimy appearance when the relative humidity becomes above 90%, and the disease incidence is more under warm and humid conditions. Here the pathogen is easily spread inside the mushroom farm through the water droplets, workers, tools, flies, etc. And the high relative humidity and water content on the cap enhances the bacterial multiplication. Then control measures. Here proper ventilation and temperature should be provided during the cultivation time, and use of chlorinated water also reduces the disease incidence. And another measure and another method is use of oxytetracycline and streptocycline have also been reported. This is the picture showing yellow blotch in the oyster mushroom, and the picture of button mushroom showing drippy gill disease. So these are the two major bacterial diseases. So thank you for listening.